The next muscle up is the Flexor Digitorum Longus. To review its origination point, it's lying deep here on the posterior tibia, right where my fingers are, and it's going to run all the way down the leg and then hook behind the medial malleolus and then go to the distal phalange of the toes 2 through 5. And its main action is just going to be that curling of the toes, as well as a little bit of plantar flexion because it crosses the ankle joint that way. For the muscle test for this, what I'll do is have the patient flip over for me. And what we can do is you can test them all as a unit, so I can try and push up like that, and he's going to try and curl his toes down. Good. Notice how I'm not putting as much pressure on the great toe because we're going to isolate that one in a moment. And now what I can do is just push on the distal tip of each of his toes while he develops some contraction here. Good. And you'll be able to feel that slowly build as you apply pressure. So notice with my stabilizing hand, I have a couple fingers right behind the medial malleolus here. So when I slowly load in, I can feel one specific tendon start to fire right beneath both these fingertips. So you can check the contraction, and I can move up a little bit, slide into that. And again, you can feel tension develop. And I'm just pushing on the distal tip of each of his toes. There's no reason you couldn't do this in a prone position. I could just as easily flip them over, so let's do that. And you can check these tendons out the exact same way. I could stabilize across here. You know those tendons are coming down here, hooking around that malleolus, so I can go right in through this space. And again, I'm just slowly going to push in, and he's just going to push back. So I can strum over this one like a guitar string right there. Relax. Slowly load in there. And you can check each one like this. You can just walk right along right there.